Punjab now, where a 2-year-old child was stuck in a borewell for 109 hours. Fatehveer Singh, he finally was rescued this morning, but he now has given in. He did not survive all those days inside the borewell. Now, this has led to massive protests on the ground as well. Residents and family members extremely upset with what happened. He'd slipped into a borewell, not realizing it was one because it was just covered with a cloth. Then massive rescue operation was followed, but he could not be brought out alive. At the moment, the pictures on your screen talk about the protest that has angered. In fact, a protest that has got all the people together, angry people, family members, villagers who are saying this is not on and this is not how borewells should be dug, and kids losing their lives in this manner. In fact, Captain Amrinder Singh also tweeted about this. He's taken note of the matter and said he's directed all the DCs to ensure that no such open borewell exists in any of the districts and asked them to submit a report within 24 hours. And he's also called about that helpline number. You can call upon that number as well if you're in Punjab and if you want to give out information about any such open borewells in the area.